Howdy, everybody. Howdy, howdy, howdy. It's a beautiful day, guys. It's a beautiful day. Listen, we're off this week, and Miss Bev has not been in the kitchen for a long time. I'm so thankful I have a husband who will cook. So I'm cooking tonight because when we're home, then they still have to go to work, so his hours would change. So instead of 3 to 11, then he would go in at. No, he went in at 3 to 11, but I'm home. So he doesn't have to cook early. So I am just doing a quick salad, guys. And so Miss Bev is in the kitchen and you're here with me. Please like the video. Please share the video. Leave your comments. Tell me what you did for dinner today, guys. It's Tuesday, February 21 to 2023. So please tell me what you prepared for dinner. I'm cutting up the purple onions. As I said, I love onions. I love onions in the raw form better than if it's all cooked and mushy. So I'm just quickly doing a little vegetable something. And I'm not going to mix the onion in the lettuce. I'm going to put them separately, guys, because not everybody likes raw onions. So I'm also adding some peppers. They're all washed and ready to be cut. So I'm adding some green pepper, guys. So how is your day so far, my people? You know, I'm just praying and hoping that everyone feels blessed out there today and that we are expecting a little snow tonight. Hope it won't be too much so that the shoveling and all of that, because it can become overwhelming. So just hoping that wherever you are right now, that you are nice and warm, that you are well fed, you're not hungry, and even if you're feeling a little pain because of old age, that you're looking on the brighter side, my friends, and say, listen, many have not lived to see this age. So let me be thankful that even with the little pains that comes with old age, it's something to be thankful for. So I'm going to add some cucumber. I like the colors. I have my green peppers. I have my purple onions. So I'm putting them separately so that people can enjoy what they like without feeling. So far, that's what it looks like, green and purple. Always love the colors, guys. Always love the colors. The colors are healthy and good. Everything with the iron and the different nutrients, guys. Healthy for the body, your vitamin C, your potassium. Just eat up the veggies. Eat them raw if you have to. Because with them raw, you get all the nutrients, guys. All of them. When you boil them, then everything gets boiled out. So you don't get all the beautiful nutrients in them. So I'm just cutting some cucumbers. Oh, well. Oh, well. Anyhow, I'm doing the cucumbers. There you go. Not going to do too much. Cucumbers. See, I didn't peel the cucumber, guys. Remember, the skin is where the nutrients are. Your dark green. That's where it is, guys. The strength is in the skin, not in the watery inside, right? So when you eat your cucumbers, eat them with the skin. Don't peel them off. Eat them with the skin, because that's where you get your good nutrients. So we have the cucumbers, which are darker green, the peppers, which are dark green, and I'm also putting some tomatoes to get the nice red color. Here's my tomato. And I'm actually going to put 2 tomatoes. So I'm not slicing. I am making them into little pegs. So I'm just going to make them so that when you pick them up, guys, then you pick up something. Sometimes you cut them so small that when you're ready to pick them up, you hardly have anything to pick up. So the tomatoes are there. Tomatoes will, the cucumbers get their own pile. Just a small salad, guys, just a small one. It's Tuesday. And I'm here every day this week. So we don't need to do a bulk of anything that will have to be. We just want to do enough that we have. It's 3 of us. My brother is here. He came in from New York. So we just want to do enough just for us. And my daughters brought these chicken. I don't know if I want to add it in. I don't know. Because it's pre-cooked, guys. I'd rather baking a breast myself. It says grilled carved chicken breast. But I'm not sure of this. Where my daughter is. It says no antibiotics ever. And that's good. But I'd rather bake grill a chicken breast and then dump it on the salad. So I'm just going to leave this out of it for now. I'm just going to leave just our lettuce, tomatoes, peppers, onions, and cucumbers. And that should be enough, right? Thanks, guys, for watching, and talk to me. Where are you today? What's on the menu for today? I noticed that it's picking up my keto coconut clusters. It comes with pecans, almonds, and pumpkin seeds. And they're clustered in with the coconut, and they are delicious. I got them on Amazon. So they're coconut keto clusters. They're very good to snack on, guys. If you're a snacker, then I would recommend it for you guys. And it is, for me, it's totally awesome. Stay blessed where you are, people. Enjoy whatever you're able to provide. Enjoy to the max. And again, if you can be good, be careful, walk good, live good, eat good, people, eat well. So we can cut down on the cholesterols and the high blood pressures and the high blood sugars. And let us be happy in our hearts. Let us be happy around the people that we have to spend a lot of time with. Because remember, it's not just the eating of the foods. We have people who have lived on starches forever and they still live to good old ages. So just understand that your mind has a lot to do with your body working well and processing stuff well. So if you're in situations where you're not happy, if you're in situations where you're eating the best, but you don't have laughter, you don't have satisfaction or contentment, then understand that the body will not function as it's supposed to. And even with eating well, we see very skinny people with high blood pressure. We see very skinny people. We think, oh, they're so healthy because they're skinny, who are dropping dead from heart attacks. So please don't cheat yourselves out of the things that aligns with a decent diet. Make sure that you're including the laughter. Laugh at yourself. Make sure that when people crack a little joke, it might be corny, but find the humor in it and laugh out loudly. Sing, 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 and make your spirit feel uplifted. Talk to people who uplift you, who motivates you, people who are positive. Find your old childhood friends, if you had created some of those, and talk about the good old days, remember when, and so that you can go forth, loving life and just living, whether it's simple or whether it's elegant, whatever Float your boat. But just remember to give back to those in need. Remember to visit those who are sick. Remember to take care of the orphans among you. Take care of the widows. Take care of the which ones again? The orphans, the widows. Take care of them, guys. And make sure that as you eat, they can eat also. All right? So, again, this is Miss Bev in the kitchen. And just giving a shout out and making sure that you're doing well wherever you are. And talk to me about what you cook for dinner tonight, guys. Share it in the comments. And please share a video or two or more. Those who are new, welcome, welcome to the MBP family. And those of you who haven't donated to the Blessing Soup Kitchen, find it in your heart to do so when you get a chance. The link is in the video I posted on Sunday. And as we go forth, remember the MBP News TV 8, people. Go over there and check out the videos. I haven't dropped one recently, but I will be doing some this week since I'm home. I also will be dropping a video as it relates to the CPAP machine. I noticed it didn't get a lot of love. But guys, if you haven't watched it, please watch that video. I'll be dropping a video soon to show you how it's used. And so look forward to that coming up. Stay well, people. You're loved, you're appreciated. Just know that.